Ito ay machine ng recycled plastic bottles and aluminum cans. First time namin mag-ipon ng mga bottles. Tapos mako-convert into points. Yan, ipapasok yung bote. Point your camera at the QR code. Ipipress yung finish. Finish na? Pindutin ko na yung finish. Nakuha mo na ba yung points? 33, we have 33 bottles. Big or small?
Enter your phone. Ito pala.
Big or small bottle, parehas lang. 5 points. Ayan. Naka 130 points kami. 33 bottles. Get points. Times 33 bottle, 165 points.
So your account complete.
Complete. Charan! Tapos na. Hindi pa. Kaysa tinatapon lang namin yung bottles.